Hello guys, my name is Yaroslav and his name?
My name is Adil.
And now we will try ear cleaning. You have heard about this?
No, I have never heard about ear cleaning.
I have heard about this in some video. And you want to try this?
Yes, but I am a bit afraid.
Why?
I think my ears will be harmful for my ears.
It doesn't matter, we need to try this.
Okay,
Let's
so
try.
let's go.
Go. 你好，可以采耳吗？这里，这里。
耳朵比较脏，它合适啊。
It's a little bit strange. 我的耳朵怎么样？
有点耳朵。
I'm scared a little. It feels good. You need to try this after me. I never tried this before. It's really good.
It's okay?
Yeah, man. 现在很舒服。
其实它只是第一次体验，其实一点都不痛。它就是有那种震动，有一种那种声音，但是不会痛。
It's really good because I never tried this before in my country. I just did this in myself because when she did this like dun 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 dun, I really strange this and I'm scared of this because I've never tried this and I really like her massage because my back is very pain, so I like it. I will came here again.
It's very relaxed. I'm very relaxed.
How do you feel after this ear cleaning?
After ear cleaning, I feel very relaxed and my ear is clean.
Will you share with your friends and maybe
Yes.
parents?
Of course, after this I will come here again for sure.